Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can install Gcam with proper settings in your Miatoll device. So if you have Redmi Note 9 Pro, Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, POCO M2 Pro and Redmi Note 9S, then this video is for you. So guys, first of all I need to tell you one thing. First you need to download Gcam with settings zip file. Okay guys, so for that you need to follow this link in follow this article link in the video description, then follow that article, then scroll down and click here all download section. Then here you need to wait 15 seconds. After that all download links are present here. Okay guys, so just wait here. See here various files guys, you can download any files like Orange Fox, recoveries, ROMs. Okay, so you need to download this file which is Gcam plus settings file. So download from here guys. Okay, it is in other section. Download this file, Gcam file. After that you will get this file in your download folder. Okay, so let me show you. I downloaded again, that's why it's showing 2, so I am going to delete one. Okay, so you need to download this file guys. Okay, this file, then just open this file directly. Yeah, okay, so you can see here you will get Gcam folder. So you need to copy that folder into internal storage. First of all we need to delete if you have already Gcam folder in your internal storage. Okay guys, so just go to your internal storage and you can see I have Gcam folder already, so I'm going to delete this folder. Okay, after that go to your zip file again and you need to copy this folder, Gcam folder, which is in zip file. Okay, so copy that folder and paste here into your internal storage directly. Don't move or copy paste in any other folder, you just need to paste this folder into your internal storage directly. Okay, open that folder, you will get this APK file. Just install that APK file. Now you have one more folder here, just open it and you will get this settings file. Okay, so don't need to change anything right now, just open your Gcam application from here. Okay, so go to your apps section. Now you can see right now we installed Gcam. Okay, so now open this application. When you first time open this application, it will ask some permission, so allow it. Okay, now you need to load your XML file. For that you need to tap here between two icons, tap here, double tap. When you double tap, it will load XML file directly. Just click on restore. It will restore your XML file settings in your Gcam variant. Okay guys, so it is now perfectly ready to use. So now use this application guys, and it is very wonderful application. Gcam, it is in this application your slow motion, night mode, everything is portrait mode, everything is working fine. We don't have any issues with it. Okay, so use this application and tell me it is working on your device or not. If you like this video, please like and share this video with your friends. Okay, so thank you so much for watching guys. We will meet in the next video, and don't forget to comment below if you like this video. Thank you so much.